discuss एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन। दो लाइन के अंदर एंगल निकालने के लिए क्या करना? लेट L1 L2 be two lines here. This is the x-axis, then this is the y-axis, then this is the z-axis. So let you take L1 L2 be two lines which is passing through the origin, having direction ratio A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 respectively. Means L1 का direction ratio है A1 B1 C1, L2 का direction ratio A2 B2 C2. If direction ratio is given, then you have to find out the angle between two lines. That time cos theta is equal to A1 A2 B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square root का magnitude. This is cos theta. This is cos theta. If it is given, what the direction ratios are given, then A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square का root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square का root over full magnitude. Then you have to find out by taking also sin theta. What is sin theta? Now sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta का root over. Cos square theta का root over. So what? Now here sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta root over. That means 1 minus cos theta का value here डाल दिया. After that, what will come? That A1 B2 minus A2 B1 का whole square plus B1 C2 minus B2 C1 का whole square plus C1 A2 minus C2 A1 का whole square का root over divided by A1 square B1 square C1 square का root over A2 square B2 square C2 square का root over. If angle is given, that is a direction ratio is given, so then angle you can find out in this method. This is the formula to find it, the angle between two lines if direction ratios are given. If direction ratios are given, then if the lines are given in vector form, if the lines are given in Cartesian form, then what we do? If instead of our direction ratios, direction cosines are there, then what we will do? So that time, populate that is L1, M1, N1. This is L2, M2, N2. These are direction cosines are given. So cos theta is equal to same concept L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 divided by L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square का root over L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square का root over. Whole magnitude same concept. The what value comes? That L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. Simple funda. That means here the value comes. This is 1. This value comes. This is 1 because we know that the square sum of any direction cosines that is always 1. So that's why this is L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square, that is 1. L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square, that is 1. So that remaining, this is the cos theta value. If direction cosines are given, then angle between two lines, that is the cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2, that is the result. If that is the lines are given in vector form, if the sin theta comes what? L1 M2 minus L2 M1 square plus N1 M2 minus N2 M1 square, then N1 L2 minus N2 L1 the whole square का whole root of that is the sin theta, this is the cos theta, if direction cosines are given. If a vector format is given, then now here L1 lines, that is R vector is equal to A plus lambda A1 plus lambda B1 vector. Similarly, L2 vector is equal to R vector is equal to A2 vector plus lambda B2 vector. Now, cos theta is equal to B1 dot B2 divided by B1 magnitude and B2 magnitude का whole magnitude. This is the angle between two lines. If the angle is given in the vector form, this is the vector form. R vector is equal to A1 vector plus lambda B2 vector here, and R vector is equal to A2 vector plus lambda. In the place of lambda, you can write that is the mu vector. So that is the lambda and the mu are constant. So here cos theta is equal to B1 vector dot product with B2 vector divided by B1 का magnitude and B2 का magnitude का whole magnitude. This is the cos theta. If angle is given in vector form, if angle is given in Cartesian form, let L1 such that x minus x1 by A1 is equal to y minus y1 by B1 is equal to z minus z1 by C1, and L2 line is equal to x minus x2 by B2 A2, and y minus y2 by B2 and z minus z2 by so that value comes, that is the cos theta is equal to simple A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square का root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square का root over. This is angle between two lines. If angle is in form of Cartesian, then this is the angle cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C. A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square का root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square का root over. Suppose two lines are not passing through the origin, then what will do? That means you have to draw, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Line is here. This is L1 and this is L2. If this line is passing through this point, then this is not passing through the origin. Then what will do? Now you have to draw, that is a parallel line L2 dash, another parallel lines that is equal to L1 dash. That means that two lines are passing through the origin. Now what will do? whatever line is given, by taking that two parallel line, which two parallel lines are passing through the origin. हमको क्या करना है ना, ये L1 के साथ another L1 dash एक line parallel line passing through the origin करना है. L2 के साथ L2 dash another parallel lines हमको also passing through the origin करना है. That means these two lines are replicate हो गया इधर. So that's why these two lines का एंगल जितना होगा इस लाइन का एंगल उतना ही होगा, सेम होगा. So that's why this is the, if two lines are not passing through the origin, then what we will do? Simple funda, that do the parallel lines or make it two parallel lines which is passing through the origin. After that you can find out same process. Let you take that is properties. If theta is 90 degree, then A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. If theta is 180 degree or lines are parallel, then A1 by A is equal to B1 by B is equal to C1 by C. This will happen. This is the properties, two properties. If angle theta is there, if angle theta is 90 degree, then what we will do? Then if theta is 180 degree or 0 degree, then what we will do? That means if lines are parallel, then A1 A2, the A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 is, that is the result. Suppose this is a question that is L1 is a line, L2 is a line, that is given in vector format. That means here A1 is vector is equal to 3i plus 2j minus 4k, and B1 vector is equal to I plus 2j plus 2k. A2 vector that is equal to, this is 5i minus 2j. Then B2 vector is equal to, this is I plus 2j plus 6k. Now you think about the concept, that is it to are perpendicular or not, or is it to that is parallel or not? How will check? Simple funda, that is A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 ये सेम है नहीं, तो इसीलिए वो parallel नहीं. Now we have to find out by using the formula cos theta is equal to B1 vector dot B2 vector divided by B1 का magnitude, B2 का magnitude का whole magnitude. This is the formula. By taking this formula, what we will do? Simple, that is a B1 and B2 का dot product means that is I cap 2, J cap 2, K cap dot product which is 3, I cap 2, J cap 6, K cap divided by, this is the B1 that is 1 square, 2 square, 2 square का root over, then 3 square, 2 square, 6 square का root over का whole magnitude. Then what we will do? Now dot product comes, that is equal to 1 into 3, that is 3, 2 into that is 6, 2 into that 2 into 6, that is equal to 12. Divided by 1, 4, 4, that is 9, 9 का root over 3, 9 का root over which is equal to 3. Now here this is equal to 9, 9, 9, this is 4, that is 49 into that is 7. The magnitude, what we will do, that is 18, that is 19, that is 19 by 21. So here theta is equal to cos inverse 19 by 21. 19 by 21. If it is given, what dot vector product, vector concept suppose given, line is given in a vector form, then what will you do? This method you have to apply. If a line is not given in vector form, so Cartesian form is given, then what will do? Now you take here direction ratio given, because this is in Cartesian form. Two lines are given in Cartesian form. If it is a Cartesian form, you can say that is the, so here 3, that is the, this is 3, 5, 4 are direction ratios. DRS, that is 3, 5, 4. Similarly, this is the direction ratios of L1. Direction ratios of L2, that is equal to 1, 1, 2. So here cos theta is equal to A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 divided by A1 square, B1 square, C1 square का root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square का root over the whole magnitude. By taking this formula, we can find out the angle between two lines. That is here, this into this, that is 3, this into this, that is equal to 6, this into this, that is equal to 8. All divided by, that is 3 square plus 5 square, that is 4 square ka root over, then this is 1 square, 2 square ka root over. That means 3, 6, 9 at 17 divided by 9, 25. This is 16, 25, 25 to 50. 50 ka root over 1, 1, 2, that is 4 root 6. So here 17 by root 50 into 6. That means 17 by 300 ka root over. You can say that is 17 by 10 root 3. Means 17 into root 3 divided by 10 into 3. So that is 17 root 3 divided by 30. This is the cos theta. This is the, now here this is the not 17, because 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. So that's why it is 16. This comes to 16. This is 16. This is 16. So 16 root 3 by 30 means answer hoga 8 root 3 by 15, means cos theta is equal to 8 root 3 by 15, or theta is equal to cos inverse 8 root 3 by 15. So this is the question if Cartesian system is given. So how to find out the angle between two lines if Cartesian form में दिया होगा तो, if वेक्टर फॉर्म में दिया होगा तो बता दिया, तो कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में दिया होगा तो ऐसे तरीके करना है. तो सिमिलरली हमको एंगल जहां पे जैसे क्वेश्चन दो हम कर सकते हैं. कैसे ना, द मेथड इज गिवन, मीन्स one is the direction ratio is given, then another is the direction cosine is given. if the lines are not parallel to the origin, or if lines are given in vector form, or lines are given in Cartesian form, then you can do very well. So this is the angle between two line concept. Then comes to that is the skew lines का angle क्या होगा. Okay. And another concept is the difference is what the shortest distance between two lines. One is the what parallel lines, another is intersecting line, another is two lines. The next video I will say that is about the